So now I'm going to walk you through a brief introduction of how to make your own marble slides. And you are going to start with the Desmos website, but you're not going to start in the same section of it that you normally do. I'm not sure, you might not be able to see that too much if you can't get a full screen here, but instead of desmos.com, you're going to type in first the words teacher.desmos.com. So instead of just desmos.com, you're going to go to teacher. Oh, it would help if I spelled teacher right, wouldn't it? teacher.desmos.com. So that is where you're going to start. And if you're not already automatically signed in, you need to click on sign in, and you're going to sign in with Google. And you're going to choose your account and log in. So instead of going to the graph, this time you're going to go to your activities right over here, and you're going to go to custom because you're going to actually create your own custom activity. So we're going to click on custom. We're going to click on new activity, which is right up here. And I'm just going to call this my marbles. And click start building. And there's all these different options for types of input that you can do, but we're going to go here to more. And if your account is set up correctly, you should actually see the word marble slides in here. Now, because it's not, and I deliberately chose to take it off of mine because I knew most of you guys probably wouldn't have it enabled. So you're going to click right here on Check Out Desmos Lab. And then you are going to click to enable marble slides. So right there. And you don't have to click a save button. It automatically saves. So then if you go back, hit the back button. Or actually, you can just exit out of this, actually. So then just refresh that page, or go, and once you go to more, now marble slides will be there. And marble slides is a lot easier to set up, in my personal opinion, than setting up the mazes, because it's really just a matter of inputting the ordered pairs for the stars that you want and where you want your marbles to be. So there is, and it's pretty intuitive too. So right here where it says ball, guess what? That is where the marbles are going to come from. So I'm going to type in an ordered pair. I'm just going to say 8, 7 at this point. And then look right there at the coordinate 8, 7. There is my marble. So now I've got to decide where I want the stars to be, and you guessed it, you're just going to type those ordered pairs right in there where it says stars. So you're going to type in any ordered pairs that you want, and then instantly, as soon as you type in an ordered pair, a star automatically appears. So I typed in the ordered pair 3, 2, and then right there at 3, 2, I had a star appear. I'm going to type in an ordered pair at 1, 0. Lo and behold, there's 1, 0. It appears, and so on and so forth. So it's really pretty darn easy to get yourself a marble slide set up. You can really put them anywhere that you want, and they're automatically going to appear just by you typing those ordered pairs in. I'm going to click launch just to see, so they automatically by default will just fall straight down, just like in the real thing. So if you want to, you can add some lines. You can add, so like I might add, y equals 5, for example, like maybe, or y equals, 2x plus 4. And then there's a line that I could give, so that I'm going to give this puzzle to somebody else. Or you might decide that you don't want any lines to start in there at all, and the person that needs to solve your puzzle has to add all the lines themselves. Here, so setting up and actually making a marble slide is going to be pretty easy. Where you need to make sure that you invest the most amount of your time is making sure that your marble slide is actually solvable. So this doesn't really count right here. Okay, all I literally did was just put in some random stars and a random marble. I don't know exactly like how difficult this is going to be to solve using just inputting lines. So that's something that you're going to want to play around with, because who wants to, try to do a puzzle that's not solvable? And that is going to be part of your artifact for tomorrow, which will be able to go in your backpack, which is awesome. And you want to make, part of it is going to be coming up with a solution to your particular marble slide. You could also, in here if you wanted to, which would be kind of cool actually, we've learned in previous examples how to add a list. So you could go ahead and put in like a list of ordered pairs. For example, and so remember, you do list, you hit that, and then I forgot to put a comma in between there. And then remember the function is polygon, and then you're going to put in parentheses, L in parentheses, and it'll actually make, I just realized it made a straight line because I lined all those up. So hold on. So you can do polygon for that, and it'll make you like little polygons, like little obstacles to get in the way of the marbles. There's a lot of really cool stuff that you can do with this. So I'm really pretty excited to see how you experiment, because that's kind of the fun with this, is just going in there and playing around with it and coming up with something cool. And then the way that you were going to, so let's say I've got myself a marble slide. I've tried it out. I know that it works. I want to just add another one. So you just click right here where it says new screen and more, and then another marble slides, and then you can create another marble slide. So all the ones that you create are going to be together in one kind of activity pack. So once you've created all the marble slides you want to create, you're going to go, first of all, I would probably want to do something like hit this preview button, and that's where you actually try it out the way somebody else would try it out. It'll actually show up exactly like that. Once you've decided that you're happy with it, you're going to click next and give it some kind of description if you want to, but you don't have to. Make sure that this setting is set that anybody that has the link can view it, because that's how you're going to share it with me. Click done. And then you are going to hit this button right here. This is how you're going to get people to actually try it out. It's called Create Class Code. So you're going to click on that. You're going to click View Dashboard. So this one right here. And it's going to give you a link, this link right here. You can just copy it, and that is actually how you will submit that link to me when you do your day 4 reflection. So when you go right here, and it asks you to share the link to any marble slides you developed today, if you're not sure. So then you're just going to copy, and you're just going to paste your link right in here where it says long answer text. So you'll just copy that link and paste it right there. And that way I'll be able to see all the cool stuff that you developed. So if you've got any questions, you can definitely, I lost it. In here somewhere. But anyway, you get where we're going with this. So please let me know if you have any questions about how I can help you as you're exploring with marble slides.